Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up VPS with Cyberpanel inside the Hostinger. Now step 1 is just go to the hpanel.hostinger.com. Now once you're at this page, so from the left side you will see multiple options, so just go to this option called VPS. And once you have opened the VPS, you can see build application, host websites and play games with VPS. Now that is your choice, either you want to go with the KVM VPS or you want to go with the like game panel. So in our case, we will go with the KVM VPS. So just click on Get Now option. And once you click on Get Now, so let it load, you will see search server location or select the server location. Now this is basically a kind of, you can say, the hosting server or the hosting location where you just need to select your server according to your needs. And you can see the greenery, or like green is basically good signal and red is basically bad signal. So in our case, you can read the MS as well. Now make sure to choose the country that you want to select. And after that, you can just click on next. And from this option, like plain OS, just make sure to like choose an operating system. You can search these operating system as well. Otherwise, you can just show more and select the operating system that is that suits you best, or that whatever you want to select. Let's say I want to select this one. Just click on select. You can select the version as well. That is your choice. Now after that, you can just enter the password, which is a kind of root password. You'll use the root password to log into your VPS. So let me just enter a password as well. And once you enter the password, so you can just add the SSH key. That's your choice. Otherwise, just click on next. And you can just add daily auto backups as well if you want to turn it on. It is a paid feature. If you don't want to use it, just don't tick it and click on next. And after that, you must choose a plan, like whatever business do you have, whatever suits you best. It depends on the 1-core CPU, 4 GB RAM, 50 GB NVMe disk space, and 4 TB bandwidth, one snapshot. In this case, KVM2, this is basically 2-core, 8 GB, 100 GB, 8 GB, 8 TB bandwidth. Now choose this plan according to your needs or according to your business, whatever suits you best. And after that, you will be able to set the VPS inside the Hostinger. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.